Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp verification code. To know how to fix WhatsApp verification code, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. Then here in this page you will go to apps like this, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. Then here in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.